Greetings from Puerto La Cruz, from Tenerife, from Paradise. We have beautiful Monday here, and I'm showing you how they change colors of houses. I just love these colors. Let's walk El Niño to Playa Jardín. There are some news that they are working on it because the ocean is low, so maybe after a few weeks we can go and swim again.
De emprender en su trabajo y luego para venir fuera, pero con cambio, si hubiera sido difícil aquí encontrar para alquilar, difícil.
Calle Esquivel. You know I love this street. So beautiful. Calle Cologan and Calle Iriarte. I love this street. Platanos less than €1 again here. Calle Dr. Ingram. Lots of balconies. Another side as well. Wow. So if you want to see really lots of balconies, come to Calle Dr. Ingram. I feel like somewhere in Tyrol maybe. Nice, this is nice, really nice. And this building is probably the best, the longest balcony in Puerto, maybe, probably. Check this out. Wow, so cool. Some antique furniture if you need. Why not? And another balcony. Check this out. A long one. And another one. Calle Mazarocco. This is very nice decoration of this house with coffee shop. You can see all 8 Canary Islands here. So on the left side, El Hierro, La Palma, La Gomera, Tenerife, Gran Canaria, Fuerteventura, Lanzarote, and the smallest one on the top of Lanzarote is called La Graciosa. Beautiful. Yeah, nice house. Pink. 2 more houses with long balconies. And now we can see something special again, because we have quite new houses, but the facade decoration is made of volcanic stone. Piedra volcánica. En español. Aprendemos poquito a hablar en español. Let's learn some Spanish. So let's get closer to see. Piedra volcánica. That's cool. And this building was made for storing gunpowder. Sorry for my English. And as you can see, the swimming center is still not open, still waiting, but the garden on the roof is so nice. You can get closer. Let's get closer and let's see the garden. This is the situation, Playa Jardín. Going to water is forbidden, but you can sunbath and the shower is functional. So yeah, you can enjoy the sun here. And the restaurant is open down there. And there are some notices. As I said, maybe after a few weeks this beach can be open again. Hopefully.